Hello and welcome to Affinity. It's often a good idea to add a little bit of sharpening to images, but in doing so you can create some problems. And here's a very typical thing that happens is we go to Live Filters, I put on the Unsharp mask and just to exaggerate the effect so you can see it. Suppose we got this turned up here like this, what can you see around the outside there? This little white line, this is halos. This is something that just looks unnatural, so we don't really want to do that. So if I zoom in, you can see the effect here, what's happening. The way that the sharpening works is it makes the dark side of an edge darker and the light side of an edge lighter. And the more the contrast across there, the more that effect happens. So at the edge here, between dark and light, it's very pronounced, but you also get it internally as well. If I turn this on and off, you can see there's light applied internally, which is actually quite pleasant. So, what do I want to do here? And the very simple answer is to split the lightening stuff from the darkening stuff, so control those separately. So supposing I'm okay with the darkening here, if I change the blend mode here to darken, you can see I lose all that light stuff, including the nice inside the texture from there to there. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this and hit Ctrl J and duplicate it. So I've got the same settings still here, but I'm going to change the blend mode now from darken to lighten. So my top one here is lightening, the bottom one there is darkening. You can rename them if you like. So now, because I'm on the lightening one, I can bring down the radius here, so I haven't got that halo, and I can play with the factor to increase or decrease the effect without adding too much to the halo. Let's do that from the outer level. So here I can go all the way down to, so I can get rid of the halo, and then play with the factor so it increases or decreases the effect here. So you can do this with other forms of sharpening as well. If you get a halo effect, separate out the lightening and the darkening. And so let's just have a look at this with a before and after. So before, after, before, after. There you go, that's certainly an improvement. There we go, very easy. Thank you very much for watching.